it happened. Hi there, Bread Plant Girl here. Well, it happened. We got our first snow of the season. So it's October 23rd today, and it is snowing. It started snowing late last night, and it's supposed to snow through the day, through the night, and into tomorrow a little bit. So yeah, it's definitely the end of my gardening season here. Not a lot left. I do have some parsnips. I actually have a few beets. I haven't even looked at them. I should really see what they're doing. Those are fine. They're ground, they're root crops. I had some greens. I'm pretty sure they're done. We've had a lot of really heavy frosts, and I haven't tried to eat them, but I don't think they're very good anymore. But yeah, the snow is here. That white stuff. It is wet snow too. Oh, and it's very windy. I was going to make you a video today about how beautiful these snapdragons are still looking after all our cold weather, but I didn't get out here in time, and the weather had other ideas. They're still pretty incredible, but they're definitely going to be done now, I'd say. Who knows? The snow is going to be here for a couple days, and then it's probably going to melt away. Maybe they'll bounce back. Can't even look at you. I have snowflakes hitting me in the eyes. But yeah, it's pretty snowy out here today. We're getting all the good wet stuff here. But yeah, that's expected. It's the end of October, and that's how things go. I still have sage and oregano in this pot. It's pretty snowy now. We'll see, they've been pretty hardy through this cold weather. We'll see what they do. I am just making this a quick one, just a little update on the weather, I guess, and what's happened in my yard in the last 24 hours. So have a good week. Thanks for watching. Bye.